I'm Mark.
And I'm Faye.
And we're the Grill Dads. Today we're about to share with you our cold smoked Novalox recipe. We're gonna use the Lemonade Thyme underneath and on top of this. We're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna put it in the fridge for 24 hours.
Right.
And then we're gonna take it out and we're gonna wash all that off.
Wipe it off.
And then we put it back in the fridge, uncovered, and it's gonna dry the skin out and create a pellicle, which is sticky, and it allows the smoke to actually adhere to the fish. And then we cold smoke it. Cold, cold, cold smoke. No heat at all.
Nope.
We're gonna put it in a smoker, but the smoker's gonna be turned off and we're gonna use a smoker tube.
You're gonna use the beautiful cold smoke to basically turn this into a breakfast delicacy.
Yeah. And
or whatever.
We call this recipe Goldilocks. So we're gonna put some underneath it first, and by the way, you're gonna rinse this all off. So
you can be generous.
You have to be generous. You have to get full coverage on the entire thing on both sides. All right, so now what we're gonna do is just in the shape of the fish, we're gonna get a nice, generous cover. All right, I think that's good. Let's put that down there.
All right.
All right, now, I also do a little bit on the side, and you'll see when we wrap this up, it'll pull this onto the side.
Man, I wish you could smell through that camera.
See what watch, at the end there, the extra that's in there, pull it up, and then that way you kind of get it on the edges. And pull it up and over, and then let's get this guy on.
Beautiful.
Now, we're gonna put this in the fridge, and what we like to do, put it in a tray in case it leaks a little bit, because this cure is gonna draw out moisture. And then we put another tray on top of it with some weight. It gets a nice uniform shape to the fish and also helps to push the cure in.
Yep.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, our salmon was in the fridge for 24 hours.
Yep.
We rinsed it off, put it back in the fridge for a couple hours. It dries out the top, which gives it the pellicle. It's really sticky, and then the smoked flavor can stick to the fish. Super simple. Now we're gonna cold smoke. This is cooked. It's cured. It's cured. It was cooked with salt, chemically cooked, right, with the salt. So cold smoke allows you to add smoked flavor without cooking the fish.
Right.
If you get lox, Novalox, Gravalox, none of those things are ever cooked.
No, they're cured.
Cured. Now we're gonna add the cold smoke flavor.
So we're gonna cold smoke this. This is a pellet grill that we're just using as our cold smoke holder.
Yeah, the grill is off. All right. Okay.
Hey, how's it going?
2 hours of smoke.
And we're gonna actually make a bagel with the Novalox, right?
Yeah, let's
We're gonna
go.
put some cream cheese and onions and all that stuff.
Yeah, let's go get the stuff.
All right, cool. All right, so, well, actually, we need a little knife. You got a knife, Mark?
So the pin bones are out.
Yep.
We left the skin on. And you can also see that it's firm now. Super firm. The color's gotten a little darker. It's a little more concentrated.
Let's see how thin you can get it, though. Come on, ooh, yeah.
You can see the knife through it.
Nice work. All right, show off.
Let's build it.
Okay.
If you build it,
If you build it,
they will come.
They will eat it. All right, so what's the first thing that we do, Mark? I know this is like this is your thing, man, for sure.
All right, a little bit of cream cheese.
All right, go ahead. I'll do it.
Cream cheese
On the bottom? On both sides?
Just the bottom.
All right, there you go. We built this sandwich. I mean, looks like $1 million. We got our lox on there that we cold smoked. We use Lemonade Thyme to cure it. Again, you don't have to cold smoke it.
We got half a side of salmon on this sandwich.
No, I know, it's ridiculous.
I gotta eat this.
Go for it.
Go. Make your own.
Yeah, you don't want to watch this. Trust me.
Turn away.